Welcome to today's video on the best gadgets for surviving in the forest. These tools will keep you prepared in the wild. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. Let's get started. The CRKD Provoke knife is a modern take on the traditional karambit, a knife known for its distinctive curved shape that facilitates a reverse grip. Originating from West Sumatra, the karambit is thought to be inspired by the claws and fangs of tigers, giving it a unique design and functionality. The Provoke stands out for a few key reasons. First, it's designed by Joe Caswell, a highly innovative and versatile figure in the world of knife design. Second, it features unique kinematic technology, which enhances safety and comfort during carrying, while allowing the blade to be swiftly deployed with just a push of the thumb. Weighing around 6 ounces with a 2.4-inch blade, this karambit combines practicality with cutting-edge design. Priced at $200, the Provoke also comes with the assurance of a lifetime warranty, making it a durable choice for knife enthusiasts. Introducing Hunt 4.0, a compact device that combines a lighter, flashlight, and multi-tool, all for just $55. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this gadget aims to catch the eye of anyone who loves adventure. Let's take a closer look at its features. The lighter is similar to a classic Zippo and includes a convenient wheel mechanism, though you'll need to install the flint due to international shipping restrictions. The flashlight is USB rechargeable and delivers up to 7 hours of power at a minimum brightness of 20 lumens, making it a reliable companion for nighttime activities. The multi-tool offers over 10 functions, including driving screws, opening bottles, and even fixing fishing rods. Crafted from durable titanium, it's incredibly lightweight at just 1 ounce. Hunt 4.0 packs a lot of utility into a small package, and we're eager to see what upgrades the next version might bring. Initially designed for experienced outdoor enthusiasts, the A1R device has gained such popularity that it's now also recommended for beginners. Despite its compact size, the A1R integrates a wide array of functions, including a flashlight, emergency signal, SOS device, GPS chip, freshwater and saltwater purifier, tracker, and power bank, all in one unit. The A1R operates using an innovative compressed air system, featuring a manual pump that generates power. With just 60 seconds of pumping, it can deliver up to 5 days of water purification or provide enough energy for half a smartphone charge. This device is marketed as a bridge between urban convenience and wilderness needs, offering users a reliable, multifunctional tool for various outdoor situations. Its versatility makes it an excellent addition to any adventurer's gear, combining essential survival functions into a single, easy-to-carry gadget. What do you think of this innovative solution? The new Direction Tackle Smartband B9 is a smart wristband designed with anglers in mind, offering some impressive features. It pairs seamlessly with bite indicators, providing not only a visual alert, but also a buzz on your wrist if you miss the light signal. Additionally, it allows you to control your headlamp directly from your wrist, adding extra convenience during fishing trips. The B9 is built to withstand outdoor conditions, meeting IPX5 standards for protection against moisture and dust. It can handle rain without any issues, but remember to take it off before swimming as it's not fully waterproof. This handy gadget is available for $38, making it an affordable addition to any angler's toolkit. With its thoughtful design and functionality, the Smartband B9 enhances your fishing experience by keeping you connected and in control. Introducing the Pocket Shiv, a compact knife developed by the American company S&S Precision, known for its innovations for police and military use. Recognizing the need for a reliable cutting tool in everyday tasks, the Pocket Shiv was designed to offer convenience and functionality in a small package. Weighing just 1.1 ounces including its sheath, this mini knife measures 2.5 inches in total length and features a 1.05-inch blade made from durable 440C stainless steel. The handle is crafted from rubberized plastic, providing a secure grip, and includes a lanyard hole for easy attachment to a keychain, backpack, or pocket, making it highly portable. The Pocket Shiv is available in multiple colors, catering to personal preferences and style. This handy tool is perfect for those who need a compact, reliable blade for everyday use and is available for purchase at approximately $44. If you found these tools helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with fellow adventurers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.